How to delete or remove secret conversation in Messenger. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete or remove secret conversations in Messenger app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'll actually need to do is make sure that your app is updated to the latest version. After doing that, open up your Messenger app. Now, as you can see, I have two different icons for the same person. Now, one of this is a secret conversation. To find that out, just open one up. Now, as you can see, this is my normal chat. I can send text, I can send chats, I can talk to this person. Now, the second one is actually a secret message. Now, as you can see, this is an end-to-end encrypted chat. So, if you want to delete or remove your secret message or secret conversation, all you have to do is delete the entire chat. To delete the entire chat, just swipe left on the chat, tap on the more option, and there you'll find the delete button. Tap on delete and delete this entire conversation. After deleting the entire conversation, your secret conversation in Messenger will get deleted, and it's that simple. And that is basically all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.